12 simple steps on how to use social media for small business. 1. Start with a plan. 2. Decide which platforms are where you'll find your prospective buyers. 3. Know who your audience is. 4. Expand your audience by adding new offers or targeting slightly different demographics. 5. Build relationships. 6. Pay attention to the trends happening online. 7. Sell your stuff with social commerce. Suggestions for such would be a website, eBay, Etsy, or other platforms. 8. Mix up your formats and the delivery message. 9. Focus on quality over quantity. 10. Use the right tools to accomplish your goals. 11. Use scheduling and automation to free up more time for engagement on those platforms. 12. Track and refine your performance.